Hello and welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn one of the most commonly used Chinese radical, 组. Why learn Chinese radicals? Well, learning Chinese radicals can improve your understanding of the meaning of the characters because the radical often provides a clue to what the character means. Secondly, as many Chinese characters share the same radical, you can learn and remember Chinese characters faster and in turn help you to build up your Chinese vocabularies. Now that you know the importance of learning Chinese radicals, let us get started with our topic for today. Top 10 most commonly used Chinese words with radical 族. Number 1, 跳. The Chinese verb 跳 means to jump, to hop, to bounce in English. The component 兆 by itself means omen or million. But when combining with the Chinese radical 族 to form the Chinese verb 跳, it serves as a modifier to indicate that the sound is loud or with much strength. 他喜欢的运动是跳绳。他喜欢的运动是跳绳。His favorite sport is jump rope. 狗跳进水里。狗跳进水里。The dog jumps into the water. Number 2, 跑. The Chinese word 跑, which means run in English, comprises of two parts. The second part, 包, has the meaning of to wrap or bun in English. But the component 包 here is a phonetic component. It provides a clue to the pronunciation of the character only and does not have any specific meaning related to the meaning of 跑. 他每天到公园跑步。他每天到公园跑步。He jogs or run in the park every day. 你干嘛跑这么快？你干嘛跑这么快？Why are you running so fast? Number 3, 踏. Just like the Chinese verb 跳, the component 踏 provides a clue to the meaning of the Chinese verb 踏. 踏 in this context means to tread or to step on with one's foot. 你想踏进这屋里，就得把鞋脱了。你想踏进这屋里，就得把鞋脱了。You must take off your shoes if you want to enter this house. 他一踏入社会工作，就很少时间陪家人。他一踏入社会工作，就很少时间陪家人。As soon as he steps into the workforce, he hardly has time to spend with his family. Number 4, T. T in English means kick. The component part of the Chinese word T is E. It has the meaning of easy, simple, or exchange in English. The component E provides a clue to the pronunciation of the character T. 小明把足球踢到河里。小明把足球踢到河里。小明 kicked the ball into the river. 踢足球是一个非常受欢迎的运动。踢足球是一个非常受欢迎 的运动. Playing football is a very popular sport. Number 5. 路. The Chinese word 路 is a 会意字, which is to combine a pictographic and ideographic elements to form a new meaning. The Chinese word 路 means road or path, and the component 个 means individual or each. When combining these two components, it means everyone walk their own way. 路是人走出来的，路是人走出来的。Roads or paths are made by men. 他们是走路去上学的。他们是走路去上学的。They go to school on foot. Number 6. 爹. The Chinese word 爹 is a 形声字, a pictophonetic character. The component 是 describes a person stumbling and falling down. 自己跌倒就要自己爬起来。自己跌倒就要自己爬起来。You must pick yourself up when you have fallen. 最近股市不好，好多公司的股票都大跌了。最近股市不好，好多公司的股票都大跌了。The stock market is not good recently. The stocks of many companies have plunged. Number 7. 趴. The component part of the Chinese word 趴 is 八, which means 8 in English. The component provides a clue to the pronunciation of the character 趴. Pa means to lie on one's stomach, to lean forward or resting one's upper body on a desktop, etc. 快去房间睡，别趴在桌上。快去房间睡，别趴在桌上。Go to the room and sleep. Don't lie on the table. 小狗喜欢趴在地上休息。小狗喜欢趴在地上休息。The puppy likes to lie on the floor to rest. Number 8. 跟.跟, when used as a verb, means to follow or to go with. As a pictophonetic character, the pronunciation of this Chinese word comes from the component 梗, which has the meaning of blunt, tough, or chewy. 他老觉得有人在跟踪他。他老觉得有人在跟踪他。He always felt someone was following him. 小丽每天跟姐姐去上班。小丽每天跟姐姐去上班。小丽 goes to work with her sister every day. Number 9. 跪. 跪 is a Chinese verb that means to kneel in English. The component 危 by itself means danger, but in this context, it provides the pronunciation of the character only. 他跪下向女朋友求婚。他跪下向女朋友求婚。He knelt down to propose to his girlfriend. 他跪在地上哭泣。他跪在地上哭泣。She knelt on the floor and wept. Number 10. 句. The last pictophonetic character is 距. The Chinese verb is equivalent to at a distance or to be apart in English. The component 距, which provides the pronunciation of 距, means large. huge or gigantic. 从我家到学校要走一段距离。从我家到学校要走一段距离。It is quite a distance from my home to school on foot. 事故发生距今不过2个星期。事故发生距今不过2个星期。The accident happened only 2 weeks ago. Do you have any Chinese words with the radical 猪 to share with us in the comment section?